Hello everyone, once again, I'm Momo Isaac. I'm pursuing a bachelor's degree in medicine and surgery. This time round, still we're going to maneuver with Excel. So let's take the step to enjoy this moment together. So here I'm typing in my task pane or the task bar, Excel. So after typing in, it will bring me the Excel app, and here I click on the Excel app. So the objective of learning today is we're going to learn what I'm calling reports, generating a report in Excel. So depending on how you love to use it, now I'll use the procedure I love most to use. So for this moment, we're going to open our blank workbook. So if at all you need to get through the elemental terminologies of Excel together, don't forget to check on my first Excel terminology video. So check on that one and we shall move to them. So this time round we shall look here at this, and I'll have some information I'm going to paste here. So let me take this opportunity to highlight this first file. And paste something here. Sorry. So this is what we have. So they are telling me that the data press is not the same size as my selection. However, now it is pasted. So that is not an issue. I selected not enough space, however, it has already compromised. It has not compromised, it has given me the information I want. So this is the data. This is the data we are going to use. I may not have time to fully type it out. So let me first delete this. So this is the data we have. Now, that time I told you that we can auto-fit the width, and so this is auto-fitting. Just come and auto-fit. Now, after auto-fitting this width, the next thing here is you come and then you can make the full names as we said in the other slide. You insert what we call a function. So this is equals concat. That's the function we enter here, so that we can join up the names. Equals concat. Then you come and highlight what you are concating. So shift forward arrow. So this could be the thing. This is not correct. So let me come and first activate this. Shift forward arrow. I'm ending there only. So after there I come here on the formula bar and I come, I close. So that close and then I enter. So there the names are being linked. So remember all these names would be joined together. So what I do is firstly come and click in here. Double clicking and then I put some spaces because the names are going to be joined up. So some space. So then here I come to my autofill handle and I drag down. So the names are joined together, and then I auto-fit the width automatically fit by double clicking in between these lines. So similarly here I will double click in between these lines to auto-fitting. So after auto-fitting, I've gotten my names, I've gotten this statistical data. I can also calculate out for the totals here. Total. So these are the totals. Or let me just say total. So how do you calculate total? We say total equals sum, function of sum. So we are putting in a function of sum. Let me just come here and we press shift and forward arrow. The forward arrow means the line is continue like this, not until you finish. So from there you come to the formula bar, I close and I put enter. So after entering my data, I can now use my autofill handle to drag it down. So that is my autofill handle. So that is it. So let me first automatically adjust this auto fit width. So I'm auto fitting the width. So that is how we auto fit the width. So after auto fitting the width like that, so this is the formula we have. Of course, there could be some issues. So there we go. So that is our total. After getting this total, you can now come and highlight your table. Sorry. Let me use the shift key to make things easier. So after that, I come to all borders. This is bottom border. I come to all borders and I put borders and put all borders so that it appears as a table. So after getting this table of mine, I can also now highlight it once again. So after highlighting my fingers again, I can come to this insert. When I come to insert, of course we are from home, then we come to the insert bar. So insert gets me to what we call the pivot table. Pivot tables are used to make automatic reports. So I can use the pivot table in this case. So I just click on the pivot table. And now it is fixing the range of table range. Now this is the table range it has given me. However, I can also customize it in accordance to my view and pattern. So I can begin with the full name here like this. Then I put the shift sign and I select how far the table should be used. So that is the range. And after selecting like that, I'm done. So that is the selection range I've used. So where do you want the pivot table to be placed? I want it to be placed on the new worksheet. So, and after that, I can now say OK. So it gives me the side menu, and now this side menu is going to call the pivot table fields, and it is naming this table fields. However, I should select them in accordance to how I want them to fit my report as I'm generating my report. So I just come and say full names. I want it to be there. Click. Full name should be there. Biochemistry should be there for the individual. Physiology, anatomy, computer, communication skills, and it's hard total. So that's all what we have done. So let me hope we are together. So just sounds simple thing, but a lot of people find it struggle, but that's just simple like that. So after doing that, I can now close. Now on closing like this, on closing like that, I can now come to so here we go. So after coming here like this, I can now I'll go what we call the so I was telling you that after creating this that thing like our report, I'll have to go to the design view. Design. So I can now design this in a way I want it. So that is what we call design. So these are the pivot table styles. So I've chosen this one because I love it. So we can also have the layout. Do you want it in compact form, tabular form, outline form? How do you want it to appear? So that is how basically we just handle these things, tables. Then we can also have column headers, can also have row headers, can also have banded rows and banded columns. Something like sort of that. So that is all that we have. So that is all we have, and that is our report. So for the meantime, so thank you for listening to me. Thank you for learning me. Thank you for clicking on my channel. Thank you. May God bless you. Thank you for subscribing. Now for this other part where we have the report wizards, I've not gone into them, but if we get time next time, I will drive you into how to use the report wizards. Unfortunately, my device lacks some of these features. So, but we shall soon get on how to use the report wizards. But for this case now, we have only used the pivot tables. So may you stay blessed, stay safe. Yours, Isaac Newton. Bye bye.